Good day. My name is Pieter Estreisen. I'm from Standard Bank Financial Consultancy. And the reason why we contacted you is to share some solutions that we use when we deal with trusts and businesses. Now, this specific video relates to the donation that trustees or the family and beneficiaries around a trust makes to the trust. Now, in South Africa, our portion that we can donate without paying tax to or paying tax on the donations that we make to the trust is 100,000 rand. So that equates to 8,333 rand a month. So if you want to do that, or you want to donate a lump sum of 100,000 rand per year, the solutions that we implement is structured to suit your circumstances. Now, if you look at your life expectancy, let's say for argument's sake, you've got a 15 to 20 year life expectancy. That can be quite substantive at the end when you look back and you've donated 100,000 rand a year over that time to the trust, lowering your estate with that amount, 100,000 per year, and building up assets in the name of the trust in a very cost-effective manner and without paying tax. Now, on top of that, we have tax-free growth in the name of the trust on that investment. So I would like to share this investment with you or the solutions that we use to move the money from you to the trust, and by making use of that donations rules. So I'm going to follow up and give you a call. Let's set up a meeting. It can either be a Teams meeting, Zoom, or face-to-face with all the trustees invited. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, share it with all the rest of the trustees in the trust, and let's meet soon. Thank you.